guess who's got new plants? Of course it's me. So these are 2 new packs that they've just arrived. So let's unbox them. I am going to unwrap them all. We are going to see them and then I am going to put them all on the table and show you the names. Number 1. These are all easy to take care for plants, so I strongly recommend them to everyone. You can make them live. Plant 2. Oh, little cute. We've actually sent really great plants this time. Just keep this going. Wow. Okay, I was too excited for this one. It looks like a vegetable or something, a leafy green for salad, but it's not. It's a fern. Okay, let's see. That was plant 3, so plant 4. Teeny tiny miny little fern. Okay, this is going to look great in a fairy tale terrarium or something. So. I am going to have a lot of cleaning to do later. It's worth it. Oh, this one is hairy. Looking good. Now tell me, when you make your plant cards, do you have to remove plants, or is it just me that I keep on adding and adding and adding plants and then you forget the first plant that you've added? So you go back and revise again and again and again the card. So here's another fern. The next plant. By now, I guess that you've already kind of got it. It's a fern-themed plant haul. It's the time of the year that I'm obsessed with ferns. So this was the first packet. Let's open the last one, and I don't even remember what should be inside it. So. Satisfying sounds. That hit hard. Nobody saw that. The thank you card. Go away. So. First plant of the second box, and it seems kind of big, and I don't. Oh, yes, of course. I got this one because it reminds me of kind of bamboo plant, but in a miniature form. So this is going to look really great if you are into making kokedama or something like open terrariums, because it can get a little tall, but it's worth it. Even for mini spaces, it's worth it. Next fern. Okay, this one. This one should actually have more color into it. because it is supposed to have more color, but it will just show the color in the new leaves. This huge thing, and I know a lot of people will say down in the comments that they are all similar, they are the same. They are not the same. Every type of fern is unique and has special powers. So this one actually has a baby runner, so if you've seen my guide on ferns, you can propagate them by cutting the runners. So this one has the propagation ready, on the ready. We have 2 more pots. Yes, I was super excited for this one. It's actually a fern that has the new fronds red. And it's so gorgeous. This leaf unfortunately broke, but we have a lot of new fronds in the center, so looking exciting. Let me put you here, baby. And the last plant, the last fern is, ooh la la, this one that is actually supposed to grow, creating a tree-like fern, a tree fern. Whoa. So now, first one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, you know, I can count, sixth, seventh, eighth, if you can count it as a plant, but ninth, 10, 11, and actually the traitor, because this one is not a fern, it's a pilea depressor. So yes, 12 plants. And I like the table, how it looks just like that, and I don't want to remove them, but we have to. So these were the plants that I got for month October. I think that I will not buy new plants for a couple of months from now, so feast your eyes.